Natural rose propagation for healthy roots. Welcome to HH Beauty Garden. Here, I share my passion for gardening, especially everything related to the care and propagation of beautiful roses. Today, I'm excited to show you a special method for propagating roses using only natural organic materials. This is a simple and eco-friendly technique anyone can follow at home. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your rose. Cutting, select a rose bloom with a vibrant color and healthy stem. Cut the stem to about 15 centimeters, approximately 6 inches, and remove all the leaves. Before we dive in, tell us, where are you watching from? I absolutely love connecting with fellow garden enthusiasts from all around the world. Step 2. Prepare the garlic. Take 1 clove of garlic and gently rub it over the cut end. Garlic acts as a natural disinfectant, protecting the cutting from potential diseases. Step 3. Prepare the rooting solution. In this step, we'll prepare a powerful natural rooting solution using 4 easily available ingredients: aloe vera, rice, coffee, and garlic. Aloe vera boosts root growth and naturally protects cuttings. Rice releases nutrients like vitamins and proteins into the water, creating a mild fertilizer that keeps plants healthy and promotes strong root growth. Used in moderation, coffee provides nitrogen and antioxidants that improve cell quality, enhance nutrient uptake, and stimulate root growth. Garlic acts as a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent, protecting young cuttings from infections and supporting healthy root development. Take 1 small aloe vera branch and slice it thinly. Aloe vera, often called nature's miracle plant, not only enhances human beauty, but also works wonders for plant propagation. I believe every garden should have at least 1 aloe vera plant. Add 3 tablespoons of rice, about 20 grams, 1 teaspoon of ground coffee, and 300 milliliters of water. Stir thoroughly to combine. Place your rose cutting into the aloe vera mixture and let it soak for about 5 minutes. Thinly chop 2 more cloves of garlic. Step 4. Prepare the growing medium. Prepare clean river sand as the growing medium. It offers excellent drainage. After soaking, strain the aloe mixture to remove any residues. Use the strained liquid to moisten the river sand. This creates an ideal, lightly fertilized environment for rooting. Insert about half of the rose cutting into the moist sand. Cover the container tightly with another cup. This helps maintain high humidity and reduces evaporation. Place the flower cup in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. See the results. After just 5 days, you'll be amazed to see strong, healthy roots developing in the sand and new shoots and buds starting to grow. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this method and found it helpful, please subscribe to HH Beauty Garden, like this video, and share it with your gardening friends. Your support helps us continue to create more beautiful, natural gardening content. Until next time, happy gardening, and see you soon.